I'm Nitin Khatri, pursuing my BTech from the lovely Professional University. Today we will be discussing a question in which we need to find out the value of middle node of any linked list. So here we dive into the problem. So first of all, as I have divided the solutions into steps. So first step that will take, we will take 2 pointers, P1, P2. So we will, as the pointer will start from head, that means the first node of any linked list. So P1 move forward by one node and P2 move by two nodes. So when we know move the nodes, then one node will move by one and the second node will move by two nodes. So there will be difference of one node per moment. When P2 reaches end of the linked list, P1 shows the middle of the linked list. So as we can see from this example also, in first movement, P1 reaches at second node, but P2 reaches at third node. So when again the movement will be done, then P1 from second node will reach to third node that and the P2 from third node will directly reach to fifth node. And as we have discussed in step, when P2 reaches end of the linked list, that is P2 as the end of linked list, there is no another node after this, then P1 will be at the middle node as we can see from this example. So 56 will be our middle node value. So this is the simple concept. So now let's code this problem. So first of all, we will make a class node, then we'll initialize with self and data as arguments. Then we will post self dot data post data self dot next. That is our pointer. Is none as of now. So next what we'll do, we'll define another class named linked list. So we'll define initialize it with we'll pass self self head as the first node of any linked list is known as head. So what we'll do, we will just perform the basic function. We will create a basic function that we have done various times. How to add elements in a linked list. Define append function which takes self and data as arguments in it. We will make a variable named new node that equals node data. Then if node self dot head, if there is no self dot head, that means there is no first element, that we will just give head to our value. Else, if there is already a element entered in linked list that is head, then we will go else condition. We will give the new value of self dot node to another variable. So let's define current equals self dot head while current dot next, while there is something next to it, current equals current dot next. And what next will we do, as current dot next value is given to current, so current dot next will contain the new node value. So we have made a function by which we can add elements to linked lists. So now let's create a function. Define what we name print middle node. what will pass in it? A linked list. If not linked list. That simply means if there is nothing in our linked list, print linked list is empty. I will simply return. So if there is nothing in our linked list, then we what to print? So of course a very basic condition again. But if there is something that so let's say make a pointer name totals and linked list out add. We will initialize it with first element of course and let's say make another pointer name linked list dot head. As we have discussed that both pointers will be at starting while a and a dot next. So this simply means while here the pointer that moves faster and its next will exist, then we will tortoise will be given tortoise dot next and here will be moved by two pointers means next dot next. So here we have written here, why shouldn't that yeah. Now we have created a function to get the middle node also. So let's print a result. Print middle node value for data because the pointer that is moving slow will be at the middle node because here will be at the next last node. So let's append some values in a function. Then name, let's say my linked list, and just assign this object to the class linked list, and then call my linked list dot append, let's say one. Again, my linked list dot append, let's say two. Again, my linked list dot append, let's say three. Then my linked list dot append four, and my linked list dot append 5. So we have entered 5 values in our linked list. Now it's time to call a function that will give us the value of middle node, that is 3. So let's print, let's call the function print middle underscore value and pass, sorry, node. We have named our function as middle node and pass my linked list as argument in it. So let's run our function. So here the value of middle node is 3 as we have inserted 3 at middle. So that's all from this video. I hope I made you understand this question. We will discuss further question in next videos.